Okay, somebody had asked me to show them how to make up a box and the length. I use a razor knife here, and some people use a actual Romex stripper, but I don't have one and don't really care to get one, but that's just my opinion. So basically we'll strip back the Romex here. Not a whole lot to it. It's cold right now, so it's kind of a little bit different to work with. Strip all this junk off here. That in the back. I need to throw a staple up in here. Missed that getting in a hurry. This is my second stop of this day. I'm gonna make this up, and then I gotta get going out to my other projects. It's basically on your grounds. You just trim one of those back. Take out your crimp tool, slide the crimp over it, stick it way back in there, crimp her down. It's good to go there. Now this is a switch for the exhaust fan and the light, and they're on the same switch. So all I really need to do here is this one goes to the exhaust fan, this is the power in, light, then from the light it goes to the exhaust fan, and then this power in. Make up the neutrals. I like to leave about 6-8 inches out of the box, depending on what I'm making up. In this particular case, we're not going to be using the neutral. I'll fold it back in there along with the ground. And I know this is my exhaust fan here, so I like to take a little loop and put it in there. That way you ever get into it later on, you always know it's how I do it, that this is the switch leg. And then simply cut them off, 6 to 8 inches. One will go on the top, one will go on the bottom, and then you have the ground. Fold it back in there, and you wait for trim. That's it.